Hi, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. In this video, we're going to work on shin strength. So I'm going to give you some basic tap exercise and pattern you can use that will build up your strength in your shins. So when you do your toe sounds, they're nice and loud and strong and clear. Let's jump in. We're going to start with both toes at the same time. We're going to do that 4 times in a row. So we're going to go both, 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 both. From there, we're going to go toe, toe, heel, heel. Then we do it all again. Both, 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 toe, toe, heel, heel. So let's do that much all together. 5, 6, beginning, go. Both, 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 toe, toe, heel, heel. Both, 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 toe, toe, heel, heel. From here we do both toes 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Followed by toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. And if you're wondering why the heels are in there, that's to give you a quick moment to rest those shin muscles, right? Because if it's all toes, they're going to burn out real fast. Some of you are already feeling it, like already. That's okay. They'll build up stronger over time. So let's do that whole second half. That's 8 toes, both toes in a row, followed by toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Here we go. Second half. 5, 6, ready, go. Both, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. And that's it. That's the whole pattern. So let's go back from the beginning where we did both 4 times and then toe, toe, heel, heel. If you forget what to do, just follow my feet. All right? 5, 6, beginning, go. Both, 2, 3, 4. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Again, both, 2, 3, 4. Toe, toe, heel. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. I'm going to do that all again right now. 5, 6, ready, go. Both, 2, 3, 4. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Both, 2, 3, 4. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Both, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. We're going to run that with music. We'll probably go through it several times. If your shins start to burn out, just stop for a minute, let them rest, let them recuperate, and then jump back in when you can. If you get through it all and you're not feeling much of anything, you can always put on your own music and go faster. The faster you go, the more you're going to feel it. All right, let's try it with some music. This song is called Well-Being from my No Rest album, which you can get at UnitedTaps.com. 5, 6, ready, go. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Woo! Toe, toe, heel, heel. Do it all again. Here we go. Keep it going if you can. One more. Beautiful. So that is your shin strength exercise. You do that even maybe 1 or 2 sets a day, and you're really going to start to strengthen your shins. They're going to feel better. They're going to feel stronger. And tapping is going to be easier. And every time you do a toe drop, it's going to be louder and clearer. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a moment to leave a comment. Anything is appreciated. Good job, Rod. Keep trying, Rod. Do this instead, Rod, whatever it may be. Please do that right now. I'll give you a minute. Thank you so much. I super appreciate that. You can find more great content at UnitedTaps.com. We have a whole set of practice exercise combinations. They're short combinations that work different steps like cramp rolls and buffaloes and Irishes. I think you'll enjoy those. They're nice, they're short, but they're a little bit of a workout. They're really enjoyable. So hop on over to UnitedTaps.com and check out our practice exercises. I hope to see you there. I, of course, am Rod Howell from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.